Good afternoon to all the students of class 3. So student, did you open your math book, student? Did you open your math book? Good afternoon to all of you. So up to how much we have done, student, in our previous class? Can you tell me up to how much we have done? Up to which page we have done? It's your mathematics book and page number is 98. Okay, so on our previous class, student, I have told you about this round shape chart. Have you done this one? This one, have you done this one, student? Okay, now student, the syllabus for the term 1 will be uploaded on your school website, okay? The term 1 syllabus will be uploaded on your school website, so wait for that. Now, look at the page number 99. Look at the page number 99. So, how old we are? This round shape circle, this circle part you have to be done by yourself, because it's not for me to know that how much is your mother age now is and how much your grandmother old now and how much your mom age was when you was born. So ask all those things to your mother, and if you done this activity, so after done this activity, take a picture of this page and then after that upload on my e-portal video, okay, e-portal homework part. Upload on my e-portal homework part. I will check it, okay, because I can see it, quietly, and I can, calculate that whether you are write down all those things properly or not, and then after that I can say you that yes or not, okay. So upload on my e-portal, okay, not here. Now move to the puzzle. Can you see can you read the puzzle? Irfan's mother is twice as old as him, and if Irfan's mother is twice as old as him, that means whatever is Irfan's age, Irfan's mother is 2 times bigger or 2 times elder than Irfan's age. If Irfan's age is 10 years, then Irfan's mother age will be 10 into 2 equal to 20 years. In this way we have to find out the age. And now what they have told, that she is also 20 years older than him. Now look at there, that what say, that if Irfan's mother is twice as old as him, means whatever Irfan's age, Irfan's mother age will be double, and also a double should be, and the difference between their age, is 20. She is also 20 years older than him. So, if we think okay, I think, listen, mute your audio and switch off your camera, and then after that don't touch your phone, computer or laptop. Someone remove the call. If it's happened for the next time, then I will remove this student from the class and I will not let him anymore to do the class, and I will call his parent. Why you are doing, doing with the phone? Keep it away from you and do the class. Your friends are disturbing. Your friends are feeling disturbed. So don't do this. Who is there? Let me see his name. Who is Shivam? Shivam, mute your audio. Shivam, mute your audio and don't remove your friends from the call. I warn you, don't do this. So, see that Ifran mother is mother is twice as old as him, and also she is 20 years older than him. So, if you think that Ifran age is 10, sir, one student continuously removed me from the class. So what should I do? Too kind, sir. One student, and not only me, other students also. then obviously Irfan's mother will be 20 years. Now, what is the difference between, if we think that Irfan age, no need to write, okay, this part, Irfan age, if we think that 10 years, if we think that Irfan age is 10 years, then his mother age will be, as because twice, so 10 into 2 equal to 20 years. Isn't it, student? Now see, student, that what is the difference between these two age? It's 20 minus 10 is 10 years. But in your book, it has been told that difference should be 20 years because her mother is 20 years older. So 10 years is not the Irfan age. Now, if we take the another thing. Now see, 20 years. If we think that Irfan age, if we think that Irfan's age is 20 years and his mother age then will be 20 into 2 equal to 40 years. Isn't it, student? And also see that 40 is twice of 20, and also if we subtract his mother age from his age, we will get 20. That means 40 minus 20 equal to 20. So, we can see that 20 years will be the correct answer for Irfan's age. Okay? So, guess the age of Irfan and his mother. So, students, see here. Here the space is there. Here some space are there. So, write down here first line, Irfan's age equal to 20 years, and then after that his mother age equal to 20 into 2. 20 into 2 equal to 40 years. Okay, student? Is it clear for everyone? Student, reply me. Anushka, don't take the snap. Okay, just do it on your copy, on your book. Write down with your pencil fast. Is it completed, this part, student? 20 into 20, 40. Mayuk Mandal. 20 into 20, not 40. 20 into 2. 20 into 2 is 40. 20 into 20 is 400. Diksha Singh. 20 into 20 is not 40, it's 400. Okay. Now, now turn over the next page. Turn over the next page. Did you turn over the next page? It's 100 page. The page number is 100 and it's birth certificate. Do you know what is birth certificate, student? Do you know? Tell me, do you have any idea about birth certificate? Diksha, 20 plus 2 is not 40, 20 plus 2 is 22. Okay, birth certificate. Do you know what is birth certificate? Birth certificate is a proof of your birth, which day you take, you was born, what is your father name, what is your mother name, where you born, all those details are over there. And also whether you are girl or boy, all those details has been written. And now I know that all of you having the birth certificate to your parents, I mean you having birth certificate, if you ask your parents, you will come to know. And for doing this, this topic, we need your birth certificate. So today after the class, tell your parents to show you your birth certificate. Now look at here. Now look at here first, that what the information we need. They have given you one information. By using all those information, we will done the exercise, and then after that on the next chat box, you have to fill up your information. That means your birth detail information. Look at the birth certificate of Binchi. So whose birth certificate is there? It is Binchi. Now see, on the top is what has been written. Form number 5. That means this is the 5th number form. 1, 2, 3, 4 has been given to some others person, and 5 is for the Binchi. So government of Kerala, that means Binchi is from which state? Binchi is from Kerala, and in your birth certificate it has been written West Bengal. You will see, and then after that it has been written birth certificate. What has been written? This is to certify that this information is taken from the original record of birth, which is in the register for the year 2002 of Kottayam Panchayat. Name. What is the name? Binchi Thomas Jacob. Sex. Male or female? Binchi is female. And then after the date of birth, January, February, March, April, May. So 2nd May 2002. So to 2nd May 2002. See, it has been written also in words and also in numbers. Place of birth. Kadam Puzha Hospital. Name of father Jacob Tharakan, and mother name Lara Thomas, and date of register. See student, Binchi born 2nd May, and also in 2nd May, on 2nd May their parent registered for the birth certificate, and registration number is 815/02. 81502, and date means, see student, date, signature of issuing authority means who issue the certificate, means who pass out the, who will pass the certificate, that person will give here the stamp of his position, and then after that he will sign, and which day their parents got the birth certificate. 5th 08/2002, that means 5th August 2002 they had got the birth certificate. Understand student? Okay student. So on the next class we will do the activity. Okay student? On our next class we will do the activity. Today I am just explaining that what are the information has been given over here. On the next class we will do all the exercise, and also ask your parents about your birth certificate and look all the information, because next day I will ask all of you. Okay, that's all for today, student. Thank you.